welcome to the Real Estate Heaven YouTube channel. Increasingly, people are looking for financial solutions to help them purchase the homes they really want. Housed in Seattle and backed by some of the world's top investors, Redfin is helping on-the-fence homebuyers to get into the real estate market by partnering with Down Payment Resource. Nearly half of Americans who have never owned a home say that saving money for a down payment is a barrier to home ownership, and many young people in particular feel like they'll never be able to own a home, according to Redfin Chief Growth Officer Taubman in a press release. This has created opportunity for down payment assistance programs, but information about them can sometimes be scattered and hard to understand. Taubman added, "We saw a big opportunity in partnering with Down Payment Resource to raise awareness about these programs to help more people become homeowners. If you want more real estate content, subscribe to the Real Estate Heaven YouTube channel." From today onwards, homebuyers can find down payment assistance programs that they might qualify for on Redfin's website. Down Payment Resource, a company helping the housing industry connect homebuyers with over 2,200 assistance programs nationwide, is powering this feature. Redfin provides financial support to people across the country, providing more home ownership opportunities for consumers who may have been denied without financial support. With thousands of assistance programs and a nationwide reach, Redfin can help Americans overcome the obstacles and take advantage of their home buyer benefits sooner than they realize. The number of down payment assistance programs is now displayed on each eligible for sale listing page on Redfin in the U.S. Interested buyers can quickly get a tailored list of programs they may qualify for, including the amount of assistance potentially available to them and links to the program pages for more information. With the national median home price soaring, it can be difficult for some people to save for a down payment. Recent Redfin research found that the typical U.S. homebuyer who took out a mortgage in July made a $62,500 down payment, nearly double the median down payment in July 2019, before the pandemic started. 1 in 3 mortgage applications is declined or denied due to mistakes that could be mitigated under home buyer assistance. People can receive this financial help by visiting Redfin. It can be hard to save for a down payment on a home these days, particularly this year because of the pandemic-induced home price increases. That's why they had added important down payment numbers and information to your current listings today. Now that Redfin has partnered with Down Payment Resource, you can discover down payment assistance programs you may qualify for. You can easily find information on these programs on their website or on their mobile app. Redfin has recently updated its listing page designs to allow users to easily locate down payment assistance programs in the U.S. They can visit each listing page and enter simple information, which will instantly provide the relevant program details, along with the link to the most current version of the program page. A recent study showed that 1 in 3 homebuyers were denied a loan because they did not meet the expectations of their lender. Partnering with Redfin gives individuals access to mortgage assistance programs, often reserved for those who fall into the more traditional categories of borrowers. With thousands of available financial support programs around the country, there are often many options beyond going to the bank that make it easier for people to afford home ownership sooner than expected. We know that finding a new home can be difficult and intimidating if you're not sure about all the financial and logistical implications. That's why we've created this feature to offer you help and support, because moving is expensive and stressful without it. Additionally, we're constantly looking for ways to remove barriers so people can enjoy the journey from start to finish. In an effort to help nonprofits achieve their goals, they launched Redfin Rise. This program allows their community partners access to trained home buyers, which is a rare resource for nonprofits. This year alone, they had donated housing counseling sessions for 660 families, supported the development of permanently affordable homes through Homestead Community Land Trust, provided extensive closing grants to 45 homebuyers through NHS Chicago, and helped build 226 homes in Mexico with New Story. Redfin is committed to providing you with free resources that will make your home buying experience easier and more affordable. We offer guides in both English and Spanish, as well as classes that our experts teach. Our classes are taught by agents who have experience and expertise in home buying. The company has published extensive research on the housing market. Their focus is on the exclusivity of housing, which means they want to ensure that everyone has access to a home regardless of their income level or social status. The sheer size and number of homes purchased in the U.S. during the pandemic have made saving for down payments in recent years more challenging. The national median home price rose by nearly 40% from pre-pandemic levels, leading to the more traditional methods such as home sharing and renting to be more popular than ever before. Home buyers may be denied mortgages because they are not considered a good enough credit risk. The treatment options available to them are vast, but it's up to the borrower to learn about each and every one of the options. Get a list of local down payment assistance programs under our calculator and learn how much money you could get with each option. You can also view different options and their respective costs by clicking on See Available Programs. Potential homebuyers fill out a short questionnaire to help gauge the type of person they are. The questionnaire asks for information about their household size, current homeownership status, pre-tax income, and more. You'll find that we ask all sorts of demographic questions, including military and disability status. Homeowners can now easily and quickly buy a home with Down Payment Resources Partnership. Down Payment Resource helps connect homebuyers with the down payment help they need in exchange for a fee. The company tracks funding, eligibility rules, benefits, and more over 2,000 down payment assistance in affordable lending programs. DPR was recognized by Inman News as most innovative new technology and the Housing Wire Tech 100. DPR's subscription-based service, Down Payment Connect, helps agents and loan officers match buyers to available programs. For more information on how we can help you find your pipeline of leads, please visit downpaymentresource.com or find us on Twitter at DWNPMT More Americans than ever have the opportunity to save for homeownership. Partnering with Redfin helps a lot. With thousands of homeowner assistance programs available across the country, many consumers might be able to afford homeownership sooner than they thought if they took advantage of these programs. As home values increase, it's become more difficult for potential buyers to come up with the money they need to put down on a home. Down payment assistance programs provide a viable pathway to home ownership, which can help build generational wealth and economic opportunity for many that may not have been able to imagine it for themselves, according to Grace Chung, who was Zillow's Director of Social Impact at that time. According to Down Payment Resource CEO and founder Rob Crane, our research shows that 1 in 3 declined mortgage applications are denied for reasons that could be addressed with home buyer assistance, which underscores the critical need to increase awareness about these life-changing programs. He added, partnering with Redfin is a great way to get information about financial support into more consumers' hands. Redfin announced that it has been working to improve homeownership rates through grants, housing counseling sessions, funding for domestic and foreign affordable housing developments, and several other initiatives. Redfin is a technology-powered real estate company that helps people find the perfect home. They sell homes for money and charge half the fee. They also run the country's #1 real estate brokerage site by connecting 10 million users with 22,000 agents and 1,200 markets across the U.S. and Canada. Their on-demand home tours empower 100 million monthly visitors to locate new homes for sale as soon as they're listed, which saves their customers time and money on their buying experience. Their lending services help them close quickly by helping borrowers get a mortgage, reduce their closing costs, simplify paperwork, and navigate the complex process of financing a home purchase online or in person without any hassles or surprises. Redfin customers can also rent apartments, houses, or condos nationwide while we take care of all the details on their behalf, from credit checks to insurance policies to repairs and management issues. And if you want to learn about what's going on in the housing market and download raw data yourself, head over to the Redfin Data Center, where it's all available. DPR provides comprehensive property information to home buyers through partnerships with Zillow and Redfin. Here, they also maintain a database of 2,200 down payment assistance programs that can be accessed through integrations with MLS, lenders, and agents. Redfin is a leader in exploring how smart technologies can positively impact the home buying process. The company's technology helped New Horizon Mortgage analyze the application process, and Redfin was delighted to partner with them on this project to further everyone's progress toward home ownership. That's it for this video, Real Estate Heaven fan. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.